These experiments need some strings, straw, balloons, and tape. Inflate the balloon and tape it against the straw. Pull your fingers against the mouth of the balloon, then let go.
Explain why the balloon shoots along the thread at a speed using the concept of the gas law.
The balloon was taped against the straw. When the balloon was released, the volume of the balloon was decreased.
What does this prove regarding to the compressibility of gases?
When the balloon was filled with air, the molecules inside was compressed and is shaped as how the balloon is.
Put the glass into the water upside down. Lift the glass up, but without the rim going above the surface of the water.
What happened to the level of the water inside the glass?
When the glass was put into the water, the bottom part inside the glass is empty.
What caused this to happen?
The gas molecules occupied the part inside the glass where the water was supposed to be.
If the rim of the glass was raised above the surface of the water, what might have happened? When we did that, a bubble was formed when we lifted up the surface, releasing some of the gas particles, while the water was found its way to get inside.